Hello students, Rajvinder here with the new topic, that is slings. What is sling? Sling is a kind of dressing which we are used on the injured part for the protection and to immobilize the that particular part. And the definition of slings: slings are used to provide supportive and protection for injured arms, wrists and hands, for immobilizing an upper limb when there are arm or chest injury. This particular sling we are used on the arm, wrist and hand or chest injury. Then the types of slings: there are three kinds of slings: arm sling, elevation sling and improvised sling, which we are going to discuss one by one in the next slides. Arm sling, it looks exactly like this, and the arm sling, this is used when there are injuries to the upper limb and for some chest injuries. It holds the forearm across the chest, but it is only effective if the casualty sits or stands. When we apply the slings to the patient, to the casualty, that time he or she should be sits or in standing position. Then when an arm sling is in the correct position, that time the casualty hand will be slightly higher than the elbow. The base of the triangular bandage should lie at the root of the little finger, leaving the fingernail exposed. This fingernail exposed so that we can check the circulation. And in the previous lecture, you know the parts of the bandage, and you know very well about the triangular bandage parts. The next is, this is the arm sling. Next is method of application. Ask the casualty to sit down and support the forearm on the injured side with the wrist and hand slightly higher than the elbow. The patient can hold the injured arm like this. Then elevation sling: place the upper end over the shoulder on the shoulder side and around the back of the neck to the front of the injured side. Then still supporting the forearm, carrying the lower end of the bandage up over the hand and forearm and using a reef knot, tie off on the injured side in the hollow above the collarbone. Next slide you can see the reef knot. This is the elevation sling, and on the fifth point you can clearly see the reef knot which one person applied on the casualty. Then the next one is bring the point forward and secure it to the front of the bandage with a safety pin and check the circulation. If it is affected, adjust the bandage or the position of the sling again. Then forming sling. What is the forming sling? This sling is used to support the hand and forearm in a well raised position like this. And forming slings we used when patients suffering from bleeding from hand and suffering from chest injury, which is complicated, and a shoulder injury also. That time we use the forming sling. Then the collar and cuff sling, it is particularly used for the wrist injury. Then method of application: the elbow is bent, the forearm is placed across the chest in such a way that the fingers touch to the opposite shoulder. Now the sling is applied. Then a club hitch is passed around the wrist and the ends tied in the hollow above the collarbone on the injured side. Club hitch is a kind of knot which we are used to restrain the patient when he or she admitted in the hospital to prevent the injury. Club hitch is made with a narrow bandage. Two loops are made and laid one on top of the other. Then next one is triangular sling. Triangular sling. In the triangular sling, the position of the triangular bandage like present in the picture. Then this is used in treating a fracture of the collarbone. It helps to keep the hand raised high, giving relief from pain due to fracture. Then method of application: place the forearm across the chest with the fingers pointing towards the opposite shoulder and the palm over the breastbone. Place an open bandage over the chest with one end over the hand and the point beyond the elbow. The next is improvised sling. Improvised sling we used when there is the arm sling not available or another kind of slings not available. The things which we carry that become our sling at the time of injury. Like jacket corner, to support an injured forearm or hand, fold the jacket up over the arm and pin it. Then button up jacket, undo one of the buttons and slide the injured arm into the opening for support. Then improvise sling. If no triangular bandages are available, slings may be improvised in several ways to provide support. Turn the free end of the cord and pin it to the clothing. Pass the hand inside the button coat or shirt. Pin the sleeve of the injured limb to clothing. Use muffler, scarf, belt, tie or soft cloth. Thank you very much. I hope you have understand about the topic. If you feel any kind of problem, kindly inform me. I feel very happy to give you knowledge regarding.